I'm Mary Matz, creator of Twisted Yarns. In this video, I am introducing you to the Madrid Sweater pattern and video tutorial playlist. The Madrid Sweater originated as a travel sweater. It layers well with a light rain jacket, or it can stand on its own. Pair it with a turtleneck for warmth, or a camisole to keep cool. Plus, there is plenty of room to conceal your valuables underneath. After my trip to Madrid, this sweater became my all-time favorite because it is so comfortable and flattering. The contoured design puts plenty of room in the critical areas like the hips, tummy, bust. With the hem falling just below the hip line, the vertical lines of the contrasting piping and the V-neck elongate the figure and create a sleek silhouette. The overall result is that it makes every figure look both skinnier and taller. Now, let's talk about the pattern. First, the sweater is designed to be knit on any bulky or mid-gauge flatbed knitting machine. Machines like the Brother 230, 260, 270, the Studio LK 150 are perfect. You don't need a ribber and you don't need electronics. Second, the pattern is sized for real people. I start with small, medium, large, extra large, but they don't stop there. I've included X+, 1X+, and 2X+ sizes too. And for the short-waisted woman, I have included adjustments, what I call petite adjustments. These are special instructions covering where to and how to shorten the back, fronts, and sleeves, and provide a formula to reposition the buttonholes. Third, you can use any yarn that matches the gauge, but since a lot of knitters, or I should say, since some knitters refuse to swatch, in the pattern I've included a list of readily available yarns or combinations of yarns that yield the gauge, along with the machine used and the tension. If you want to raid your stash and swatch a bit, the gauge is 4 stitches and 6 rows equal an inch. This is a DK weight. In the United States, you find it as a number 3 yarn or a skinny number 4 yarn. Fourth, the pattern is very detailed. The good news is you can easily follow row by row. The bad news is that it's lengthy. However, some of the pages may not be relevant to you, but very relevant to somebody else. For instance, if you have a bulky machine with 110 needles, you simply do not have enough needles to knit the back all in one piece when you get to the larger sizes. For this reason, I've calculated the pattern 2 ways. First, you have the full back, if you have plenty of needles, like on an LK 150. But if you don't, I've also split the back in half so you can do it in 2 pieces, and the calculations are all included there. The same thing goes for the petite adjustment. If you need them, they're there. If you don't, just skip them. The pattern is available by following the link in the description below. Now, let's talk about the playlist. As you know, whenever you work on a more intricate project, you're going to encounter processes or techniques that you're not that familiar with. These are great opportunities to expand your skill set. And to help you succeed, I've created the Madrid Sweater playlist. This playlist can be found on my YouTube channel, Twisted Yarns. Here I am documenting both techniques and processes related to the machine knitting of the Madrid Sweater. You can access the playlist by clicking on the link in the description below. And while you're there, click on the subscribe button and ring the bell in order to receive notifications of new videos when they become available. As soon as a related video is ready, I add it to the playlist. This way you have all the techniques in one place. Then you can pick and choose as needed, allowing you to focus on the single technique or the entire process. Thank you for watching the introduction, and remember the links for the Madrid Sweater pattern and the Madrid Sweater playlist are in the description below. Happy machine knitting!
Please take a moment to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications of upcoming videos. Happy machine knitting!